maraming salamat po. At this point, we'll be having a photo-op. Gusto lamang po natin imbitahan si Ms. Russell at ang ating mga kinatawan mula sa UP Film Institute at CCP. Programs from CCP and the UP Film Institute. Also, Ms. Russell. Sa mga guests po natin who would like to be part of the photo later and video, stay put lang po tayo lahat. Mabilis na po ito. Nakakahilaw. Sige po. Medyo forward pala. Okay.
Forward and compress po tayo.
Forward po at compress.
Isa doon natin yung Mr. Joe.
Compress po yung dito sa...
Sa stage right.
Okay, ready na po? In 3, 2, 1. Another one. 1, 2, 3. Saka po, last one. 1.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Another one po. 1, 2, 3. Waki po, waki. 1, 2, 3. Video naman po.
Ano chat? Game!
Okay, ang chat natin, CCP Icons, so CCP Cine Icons, UP Diliman. Yun lang muna. CCP Icons, CCP Cine Icons, UP Diliman. Okay, Diyos ko, ang bastardo ko sa salitong eskwelahan, nakainis. Again, CCP Cine Icons, UP Diliman. Okay, at the count of 3 I'll count to 3. Okay, Kalu? Okay?
1, 2, 3.
One more.
Safety,
Oo.
safety po. More energy po po.
3, 2, 1.
CCP Sinayos, UP Diliman.
One last. Isa na lang po. Happy birthday, Ate Guy. One last. Okay, happy birthday, Ate Guy. At the count of 3,
Rolling. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Ate Guy!
Okay, Sir Joel, makakaihi na po kayo.
Thank you po.
At dyan po nagtatapos ang ating CCP Cine Icons. Maraming salamat.